That might be a little too big for you, buddy. My hermit crabs. Put some new, bigger shells in there because they're all outgrowing their shells. And this little guy wants to try on a big, giant one. He wants to be the big daddy. They love popcorn, as you can see. They will devour some popcorn. The noise you hear in the background is Penny. She's chewing. This might be a long process. He's checking out that shell. And just so you know, if you have hermit crabs, I do have big pools for them. This water bowl is just a temporary here and there. I put it in there every now and then. They do have big saltwater and freshwater pools on the other end of the tank. Awesome little creatures. You probably didn't know this, but hermit crabs are cousins to the roly-poly, or isopod is what their scientific name is. And so there's lots of isopods in this tank, and they help clean the tank. But also, if they get anywhere near water, they drown within 10 seconds and they're gone. So you gotta watch out for your roly-polies. They're a great resource for cleaning the tank, though. And the crabs usually won't eat them because that's their cousin. We don't eat our own. Anyway, Copper Penny Homestead has crabs, chickens, dogs, and that's enough for us. Happy Saturday.